this kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below.
Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 95 of building the Infinity Gauntlet. You may notice once again, if you're watching this as soon as it's published, I've been missing a few episodes. There are still some supply issues with this part work, so I will be coming back and filling in the missing parts of the playlist as and when the parts become available. And I've got some, but I can't do some parts until previous parts are available because, you know, building the finger, you need to do it in order. But soon I shall be returning, very, very soon, hopefully. So in this one, we're starting the side of the forearm. But first, of course, we're going to look through the magazine and see what's what. We've got Prime Eternal. Thanos Prime. I don't know, different timeline when he was all-powerful. Oh, Thanos. Very monochromatic artworks on those. Not sure I particularly like them. Yeah, no, not overly struck by that. Right, so this is what we've got. Part you receive for this issue will not be assembled yet. The assembly of this gauntlet piece will start in the next issue. So I do have the next issue. So I will be doing some building next time. What have we got? This is a bit that sort of connects the hand to the gauntlet forearm piece. So, yeah. It's going to be quite cool. So all of the transparent pieces are the pieces that we haven't got yet. It's almost completed. I don't know how many issues there are. Is it 100? Might only be 100. I'm not entirely certain. I can't remember. So we're getting close to the end. I know we're going to be. We've still got another jewel to do, and a side. So 95. No, it's definitely more. It's probably 110. I think it probably sounds about right. So that's going to be quite good. There are some bits as of filming. I haven't done this side yet, and I've got 2 fingers to finish. So yeah, there's still lots of episodes to film, but only when I get a couple of missing issues. I mean, there's only a couple of missing issues. I think it might be 3 now. I think I've got one part of that I can't do the rest of that until I've got that, and one part of each finger. So yeah, hopefully we'll get there soon. Agent Coulson, The Dark Journey of Coulson. Look quite right. That looks better. So yeah, he's the superhero. 6 foot tall, 203 pounds. Chicago, Illinois. First appearance was in 2011. It feels like it should be longer ago than that. Strange. Right. Stefano Caselli. Artist, obviously. In red. What about that? I quite like the art style there. Okay. Right, let me clear this out of the way. We'll have a look at the part and then put it away until next time. Yes, so here it is. It's quite a large bit. You've got room for something to cover over that part of it. But other than that, that will be going into a little bit. It's even one part on its own is quite big. It always astounds me every time I pull out the bit of the gauntlet to do, just the sheer scale of it all. It really is impressive. So yeah, next time I think we're going to be adding a bit to that. So I shall see you for that very, very soon. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.